SITHERM, hot work tool steels from SIJ Group. Born from fire, made to endure. SITHERM, a group of top-level hot work tool steels. SITHERM brand steel is used to manufacture complex tools such as molds, die casting tools, high-pressure die casting tools, cores, hot cutting and extrusion tools. Produced in compliance with the highest quality standards in various shapes and dimensional ranges to fulfill your product requirements. With a proper choice of production technology through conventional casting ingots, ESR remelting, or VAR process, SITHERM is the material of choice for even the most demanding working conditions. Excellent purity, highest homogeneity, broad dimensional range, and increased tool life are your advantages when you decide to use SITHERM hot work tool steels. Due to its versatility, SITHERM steel is suitable for a variety of industries. It is used for the manufacture of complex tools in the fields of die forging, die casting tools, extrusion tools, and tools for hot stamping. SITHERM metallurgical properties for forging dies. Work hardness, impact and fracture toughness, wear resistance, abrasion, adhesion. SITHERM metallurgical properties for die casting tools. Work hardness, impact and fracture toughness, washout resistance, thermal conductivity, thermal fatigue resistance. SITHERM metallurgical properties for extrusion tools. Work hardness, impact and fracture toughness, thermal fatigue resistance, creep resistance. SITHERM metallurgical properties for hot stamping dies. Work hardness, wear resistance, abrasion, adhesion, thermal conductivity. Hot work tool steels are mainly used in the fields of automotive and civil engineering, and also aerospace. This group of steels includes premium and superior quality standard grades, as well as steels which are the result of in-house research and development. This offers a broad range of combinations of mechanical and physical properties tailored specifically to your application. Steel grade SITHERM S361R offers the highest possible toughness, and grade SITHERM S360R can be used at a higher strength. All SITHERM grades are available in annealed condition according to North American Die Casting Association criteria and specified dimensions. SITHERM steels are the product of our intense, high-tech innovation research and decades of development. Our in-house developed formulas and processes can improve work hardness, impact toughness, and thermal conductivity. At SIJ Group, we strive to be the best business partner to help you become the market leader in your industry. SITHERM, hot work tool steels from SIJ Group.